Hello everyone. The history of pandemic in this world is very horrible. Whenever we see in the past, we find numbers of epidemics and pandemics have destroyed human life on a very large scale. We have seen even how our ancestors have suffered from these deadly diseases. It is also believed that the damage caused by the epidemics was much more huge as compared to this time, and it may be because of lack of awareness. The medical facilities was also not so advanced like today's time, and the major cause of the huge number of death because of epidemics is the lack of awareness towards the particular disease. During that time, people even don't know the exact cause of the ailment, like why it happenings, who's the causal organisms of the disease, and so on. They don't aware about the exact means of transmission of the epidemics. And about 10 to 15 years needed to create a vaccine by medical science. But if we think about today's times and relate it with the recent going on COVID-19 pandemic, it seems that history trying to repeat itself. Whatever happened in past century, happening once again, and if right step not taken by us, then things will be more painful. When number of COVID cases in India is under 500, people seems more sincere and behave like a responsible citizen. Everyone looks much aware and follow all the preventive measures of COVID-19, either wearing a mask or frequently washing hands with sanitizer, soap, hand wash, etc. And they also take care of social distancing. But all these things just happen for 1 month. As the time passes, number of COVID cases have started increasing in country. It's about more than 8 lakh plus reported cases in India till now, and this is the time when precaution is must required. We all have started ignoring it. Only few people found wearing masks, and for more social distancing is like nothing. Either it is marketplace, hospitals, banks, or any other public gathering points, people have seen sincerely ignoring the importance of making social distance with each other. We already have seen that this viral pandemic has already caused huge loss to our country, economy, and our education system. It has created an extra pressure on our health infrastructure. Because of this pandemic, several people have lost their job, and it has caused so many other harms to all of us. Few people also believe that this virus can't infect them because it is not even transmitted in their area. And believe me, this is the huge blunder we are making. It is said that enemy and element should never be ignored. Yes, enemy and element should never be ignored. Friends, whenever it comes to right of a citizen, everyone stand off and say no one can violate your right. It's true, but as a citizen of India, if we have several rights, then we also have few responsibilities. During this tough time, it's our responsibilities to wear masks, frequent washing of hands, and keep social distancing. And aware others about doing this. As a responsible citizen, it's a moral duty of all of us to unite in the fight against COVID-19.